Hey there, FKV right here. Today I will be sharing some of my insights about the Carbide Spec 05 by Corsair. This is sort of like the part 2 of the unboxing video. Despite of it not being the latest case of Corsair, it's actually listed as the Amazon's choice for the keywords PC case during the making of this video. When someone is looking to build their custom computer, PC case is what most people would be typing in. But before all that, would you like to be the most awesome person on earth? If yes, then make sure to leave a like on this video and hit the subscribe button. It really helps me with the YouTube algorithm so more people can watch this video. It comes with all the accessories that are more than enough, and these will come in handy for future hardware additions. Also, something to be excited about is the Ryzen 9 3900 XT. Let's take a look at the case itself. On the back panel, we've got all sorts of holes that allows the cable to freely pass through, pretty much in every angle that you need him to. They didn't include rubber grommets to cut the costs, but that's a trade-off that I'm personally okay with, and I recommend simply using black cables to keep that stealthy look. On the left side, we've got two slots for 2.5 inch drives, which is really ideal for a RAID 1 setup with a pair of SSDs. It also aligns your drives to this hole mainly for your SATA cables. Sweet! On the bottom, you'll find the hard drive cage, but since I wouldn't be using all of the slots, I will be using it to hide all the in-use cables instead. Please don't mind the horrible cable management. I was going for speed and not so much for the quality. Having said that, to check out the world's fastest PC builder video, click right here. On the back, we've got the typical slot for the I/O. It also has this bracket that adds an extra layer of security for your graphics cards, which I think very few people are likely to do anyway. But it's a nice thing to have. And of course, you've got the space for the power supply. This case has this aluminum rounded legs, and it actually allows the cables to pass through if your peripherals are wired. Inside, there's the typical motherboard mount points. On the bottom, there's the spot reserved for the power supply. Unfortunately, there's no cage to hide it, so just be creative. Something I would highly recommend though is to get a modular power supply. It allows you to only use the connectors that you need, and this results to a much cleaner setup. On the right, there's the hard drive cage, and frankly, haha, I would just get rid of it just because it looks better. In theory, this could house up to 3 fans, but you can't really put the third fan without removing the cage. You could also mount your AIO radiator in here. The overall build quality does not feel cheap, with the exception of the hard drive bracket, which I won't be seeing that often. So, is this really worthy of the Amazon's Choice badge? My answer is absolutely. Why? It's simple. More for less. More value for less money. I hope that you found value in this video. If you'd like to see more of these, simply click on one of the suggested videos. With all of that said, thanks for watching. Godspeed.